Yeah, welcome again today. The aim of the lesson of today is to calculate the relative densities of different materials. And you may see there in our example, an object has a density of 7 grams per centimeter cubic. Calculate its relative density. An object has a density of 7 grams per centimeter cubic. Calculate its relative density. An object has a density of the 7 grams per centimeter cubic. Calculate its relative density. So, in order to calculate relative density, we need to identify different data. In this question, we have given a density of a body, low naught, density of a body, low naught, which is 7 grams per centimeter cubic. 7 grams per centimeter cubic. Also, we have given density of water, low W, which is 1 gram per centimeter cubic. 1 gram per centimeter cubic. What is relative density? So our relative density can be calculated by using the following formula. The formula of finding the relative density, we say density of object, low naught, over density of water, low W. Density, relative density is equal to density of object, low naught, over density of water, low W. So, you may find in our relative density, we take the density of object, which is 7 grams per centimeter cubic, divided by 1 gram per centimeter cubic, which is the density of water. Density of water is constant value, although it is not given there in our questions, but we should keep in mind that the density of water is equal to 1 gram per centimeter cubic. Finally, you get 7, the relative density. Normal has no unit because you may find the unit here cancel. Gram per centimeter cubic cancel with the gram per centimeter cubic. So 7 divided by 1, you get 7. That's good. If that is the case now, you may try your understanding in the following exercise here. We have different questions you may try on yourself. First question, a piece of metal of a volume 1.5 centimeter cubic has a mass of 41 gram, 41.6 gram. Calculate the relative density. A piece of copper metal of volume 5.1 centimeter cubic has a mass of 41.6 gram. Calculate the relative density. Also, a piece of metal of a copper metal of a volume 5.1 centimeter cubic has a mass of 41.6 gram. Calculate the relative density. The second questions, a stone weigh 500 Newton is occupying a space of 45 centimeter cubic. What is its mass, density, and relative density? A stone weigh 500 Newton is occupying a space of 45 centimeter cubic. What is its relative density, mass, and the density? Roman 1 is mass, 2 density, the final is relative density. The last question there, question number 3, you may see that a piece of metal with a volume 0.00, this volume here, this volume, the volume of 0, this volume of 0.00012 meter cubic has a mass of 0.12 kilogram. 0.12 kilogram. Calculate its relative density. A piece of metal with a volume of 0.00012 meter cubic has a mass of 0.1 kilogram. Calculate its relative density. Thanks.